Reality check, man, from your device, you know it's a unique one, aromatic, realistic TV. Anyway, today, my viewers and subscribers, we see Juliet Cuthbert Flint is trying to convince us to promote criminality over integrity. It should be the other way around, don't Jamaica? It should be integrity over criminality. But he's telling us, no, it's criminality over integrity. So we see where them push this race bait and all of these things. Color complexion, because the thing about it in Jamaica, what we have to understand is that where substance is concerned, the Jamaica Labour Party have none of that. Where accomplishment is concerned, the Jamaica Labour Party have none of that. When you ask them what is their legacy, they are shying away from the argument. They cannot face you and explain to you what are you guys' legacy for the past 9 years. What is the accomplishment of the Jamaica Labour Party for the past 9 years? They run and shy away from that argument. So they always gonna pivot to the racism card. You understand the complexion of the man's skin. You understand Marky British and all of those things. Because at the end of the day, they are trying to hide from the real issues that Jamaica faced the last 9 years under the holness administration. That is their problem. So Juliet Cuthbert Flint, you know, is like them dirty mama. In a Jamaica would have called them then dirty mama. Who in no matter what them pitney go out they go do. Then go murder people, rape, rob, thief. And the mama come out and the ball saying pitney innocent. When he know say him pitney not innocent. Well, I saw all of the members of the Jamaica Labour Party. Nobody to stand up to holness and hold him accountable. And that is the reason why the Jamaica Labour Party deteriorate, about to disappear from off of the map. Because there was not one of them to hold holness accountable. Instead, she's telling us on that stage, you know, that we must believe in a man who thief him way to success. Or in other terms, to material wealth. You want to convince me to believe in a man who thief him way to success or material wealth. You want me to hide my conscience. Go sleep with that. The facts present everything to me. That the Prime Minister is a criminal. And on me say it, the IC find him in criminality. You understand what I'm saying? And you want me to believe in somebody who is a criminal. But on the other hand, you don't tell me, say, me can't believe in a man who work hard for his success. Me can't believe in a Mark Golding, you know, who work hard for his success. But me must believe in a holness who thief in way to success. Anyway, Jamaica, we go play the clip. And after we play the clip, we will dissect it. Take it away.
Buy stocks in Trans Jamaica, and many Jamaicans who have never bought stocks before bought into this company. Yes, our Prime Minister is for the ordinary man because he understands what it means by building from nothing to something. Our leader.
The same man, you know, 28 bank account. Move around 460 million US into 3 companies that he started in the heights of the pandemic. When the whole world shut down, nobody now make no money. People wonder if them go live for it tomorrow or not. 460 million US 3 company. No employee. Anyway, continues.
Believes in the people. The most honorable Andrew Holness. He is not a boastful man. He is not a disrespectful man. He is simply a man from Spanish Town who committed to serving the people of Jamaica to make their lives better. Liberites, our leader is strong. Our leader is active. Our leader.
He is simple. The man from Cumberland Road who is there to make the Jamaican people life better off. I'm glad she stated that. So he's simple, the man from Cumberland Road. You and I know that Andrew Holness did not born with any wealth. Andrew Holness not born in an luxurious family. Andrew Holness never born concerning on legacy, non-traditional wealth. So the question what we ask, how Andrew Holness get so rich? 28 bank account, move around 400 odd million US when the whole world shut down. Take out a bank account with $0 down. In a few weeks, 143,000 US dollars were transferred from the criminal SSL into that account. And you are telling me that Andrew Holness is there to make the Jamaican people life better off. Anyway, continue with your line of argument.
Is about serving your interests. But there's another man called Marky British, and he is a man who believes in holding chains around the neck of black people. And in a missus him a take picture, a whole chain around my neck, the rest of my neck. We have to say no to Marky British because he's a man who love to show off, him love to boast, and say him done rich already. We don't need a man like that. We have to say no to the man that is leading the PNP who love to style black people and call them little boy and little lady. We have to say no to the man who tell us out of his own mouth that him want to run Jamaica with himself and him Tapanaris friend them. We have to say.
So one day if you know I get this, my viewers and subscribers, we have to say no to Marky British. We have to say no to Marky British. Because him love to show off and him love to boast and say him rich already. Him love to boast and show off, say him rich already. We don't need a man like that. You don't need a man who tell us say him rich already. You don't need a man who through his hard work bring forth his success. But you are telling me to believe in a man who thief in way to riches or material wealth. Jamaica, I wonder if you don't get what the woman I just said a while ago. A criminality the woman they promoting. The woman is promoting criminality. You are going to tell me, say no to Marky British. Him love for show off. Him love for boast and talk about him rich already. We don't need a man like that. And you are on stage trying to convince us when the facts is there that the man is a criminal. So we must believe in a man who thief in way to riches. I wonder if you don't get what the woman said, Jamaica. Criminality should have promoted rightness, sir. They try to convince Jamaica, so we must not believe in hard work anymore. But we must believe in a man who have 28 bank account. A man who start 3 business In the pandemic, when the world shut down, nobody's not making any money. People are wonder if they go live or dead. 3 years, statutory declaration cannot verify. And you are telling me to believe in an individual like that. And for me to ignore the facts. A man like Mark Golding who come to politics wealthy. And you want to tell me we don't need a man like that in our politics? Continue here why I say Jamaica.
No to the PMP Tapanaris man and him friend Peter Bunting, who's really the leader. Because they are the same ones who had a company years ago that benefited from the wicked PMP policies, and they made millions off the backs of the Jamaican people. Some of them suffered brutally. They even committed suicide, and we have to say no to them. We have to say no to the PMP Tapanaris men whose company was investigated for anti-corruption. We have to say no to them because we know that we have the better leader. My fellow Jamaicans, it is very clear that we have to say no to Marky British and yes to our God-blessed Prime Minister Andrew Michael Holness. Shower Liberai.
Is she collective? Listen her. We have to say no to Marky British, but yes to our God sending Andrew Holness. Them love to mix up God name in them thing, you know, because you understand it's a sinking ship. But what I want to remind Jamaica, that you know, remember in the heights of the pandemic, it was Andrew Holness who locked down the church, you know, all charge pastor, you know. And at the same time, him grant a permit for a secular concert in a Negril called Dream Weekend. You remember that? See, enough of you have no dead them and you couldn't go at the funeral because in limit the amount of people that could have got there. At the same God bless man that what she talk about, you know. We must reject Mark Golding, a man of integrity, class, character, qualities, moral uprightness. We must reject a man like that. But we must embrace Andrew Holness, who can explain to the Jamaican people how him come by him wealth. You know, see, it's a criminality that woman here they promote. That woman here they promote criminality over integrity. But we not bite, brother. We not bite. So, as I stated before, you know, you have some dirty mama who in Jamaica. Them pitney go rob and kill, rape, and then know, and then sit down panny and everything, then say no enough for me pitney, and then know. Well, Juliet, you are one of them dirty mama there. Who you know the facts is there that Andrew Holness get caught in a criminality. And who no want we to ignore that. Who no want we to ignore the facts and believe said that the man there supposed to serve and lead the country. It not gonna work. Anyway, Jamaica, this is the facts. What she is telling us is that we must believe in Andrew Holness, a man who thief in way to riches. And in other words, we can say material wealth. She want me to believe in a man who is statutory declaration cannot certify for 3 years now. Him can't give account or him combine riches. Him can't give account to the IC or him combine wealth. So them turn him over now to the fraud squad. She wants me to believe someone who is in front of the court now trying to throw out the illicit enrichment out of the court. She wants me to believe in a man who collect charity money. When you get charity, you know, is to go towards the vulnerable, you know, and the poor people of Jamaica, you know. The charity money never come to for Andrew Holness, you know. But Andrew Holness take the charity money and go buy personal stock. She want me to believe in a man like that. She wants me to believe in a man who have 28 bank account. And most of Jamaicans don't have a bank account. She wants me to believe in a man who start 3 business in the heights of the pandemic. Move around 460 million US dollars. None of them company don't have no worker, brother. And at the same time, out of the office of the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the DMRA, the Disaster Risk Management Act, where the man that charge the citizens of Jamaica anywhere from 750,000 down to 100,000 for not wearing a mask and breaking curfew. Just think about that. And him have 3 company in the COVID. Move around 460 million US. You want me to believe in a man like that? Eh? You want me to believe in a man like that? And this is where it gets tricky now in Jamaica. She wants us to believe that a man who, through his hard work, bring forth his success. She's trying to convince us that we must ignore the facts, the reality, the truth, that Mark Golden hard work bring the man his success. And you want me to throw that out of the window and not believe in hard work bring you success anymore? And that you want to convince us, lady? I know the whole of we are idiot, you know. The people them where you talk to in front of you, most of them are idiot. A low life them. Because the only thing what them come at conference for is the $5,000 a box of food, some rum and some chaser, and them good. So it's okay for you to try to convince your low life followers. But you can't convince the whole of Jamaica. You can't convince the whole of Jamaica. You are telling me that Mark Golden, who is a corporate liar and a real estate giant, everything that the man do, he's successful at it. And you want to try to convince me, say me mustn't believe in a Mark Golden. But you want me to believe in a Andrew Holness. Jamaica, where we ask Juliet Cuthbert Flint, what is Andrew Holness' profession? What is Andrew Holness' profession? The man is a career politician. The man is a career politician. What is Andrew Holness' achievement outside of politics? What is Andrew Holness' achievement out of politics? Remember I stated now, Mark Golden, corporate liar, real estate giant, Dairy Bunting and Golden what then sell to Scotia. The man a millionaire. And you are telling me that me can't believe in a man like Mark Golden, who work hard, and him hard work bring him success. But you want me to believe in a career politician who want to have no profession outside of politics. No profession outside of politics. The man is a career politician. And you want me to believe in a career politician. But a man who come to politics with millions of dollars, you are telling me that me mustn't believe in that man. You are telling me that me must not believe in a man with integrity. You are telling me me mustn't believe in a man with class. You are telling me that me mustn't believe in a man with character. That's what you are telling me. You are trying to convince me that me must not believe in a man with integrity. Me must not believe in a man with class. I must not believe in a man with character. I must not believe in a man with decency. I must not believe in a man with family morals. I must not believe in a man with family principle. But I must believe in a man who have 28 bank account. I must believe in a man who start 3 company in a COVID, move around 460 million US. You are telling me to believe in a man who open a bank account and few weeks later $143,000 US was transferred from SSL into his account. You want me to believe in a man like that? So Jamaica, we have to get this in my viewers and subscribers, you know. This woman is trying to convince us that we must not believe in a man with integrity. We must not believe in a man with class. We must not believe in a man with character. We must not believe in a man with qualities. And we must not believe in a man who deal with family morals. Just think about it. But at the same time, you want to convince me that me must believe in a man who thief him way to riches. You want me to believe in a man who is statutory declaration cannot certify in 3 going 4 years now. You want me to believe in a man who is in front of the court trying to throw out the illicit enrichment that them caught him in. You want me to believe in a man who take charity money and spend it on himself. The charity money will come for the most vulnerable, the less fortunate, the sufferers, the poor people of Jamaica. The man take charity money and spend on himself, and you want me to believe in him. You want me to believe in a man who have 28 bank account. 99% of Jamaican have a bank account. You want me to believe in a man that start 3 business in the heights of COVID, move around 460 million US, and none of those 3 companies have a workers. You want me to believe in a man like that. But on the other hand, Jamaica, she's telling us we must not believe in a man who through his hard work bring forth his success. You are telling us to reject and ignore this man who through his hard work bring forth his success. A corporate lawyer at profession, a real estate giant, everything what the man do, it turn out to pure gold. But you want me to believe in a man who not have no profession, a career politician, who take him outside of politics, he not have nothing. You want me to believe in a person like that. But you are telling me to reject Marky British and to embrace our God-given Prime Minister Andrew Holness. This lady is cuckoo. He's loco, psycho, mad. No have no sense. Because what Jamaica? They don't have anything to run on. Where is the achievement? What you gonna come and tell the Jamaican people? You on the stage and none of them could outline or explain to the Jamaican people one thing that they achieve. They're on stage, all kind of nice, and then can't tell me one thing what them achieve. So that's why you see she come out, Marky British, and they come with them racist thing, vase them the back throat, Barsland it done, because guess what? They are deflecting, because where substance is concerned, there is none. They are lacking substance. They have no achievement, so therefore they're always gonna try to pivot. But if you remember, so it's not just the $5,000 and the box food labor right them, the Roman boom labor right them, who attack to. Who attack to some people who out here, who the world know accountable. My viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think in the comment section. If this woman is a loco or crazy, in Jamaica would have said is a mad woman that. Is a mad woman that. Anyway, we continue to tell the mass that the signature word, it remains heart of love. We tell them say a Jah and good road. Until then, we know on the matic, we'll chat again. A peace and love.